Good evening, students. Tomorrow, during the session, we are going to revise all the chapters for IT examination. Hope you read all the pages one by one, and now you all are thorough in IT portions. Yes, still this video will help you when quickly remember all your learnings. Okay, Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet application. The various components of Excel are workbook. The Excel document is called as workbook, and this workbook is having collection of multiple worksheets. Worksheet is made up of columns and rows. Cell, intersection of rows and columns are called as cell. The dark boundary cell is called as active cell. Row is a horizontal collection of cells, and this row is labeled as row number 1, 2, 3. So in our Excel sheet, there are 10,48,576 rows are there. Column. So column is a vertical collection of cells. It is labeled as column letter A, B, C, and we are having columns up to X, F, D. Cell address. To uniquely identify the cell, we need a cell address. So how the cell address will be composed? Row number followed by column letter. Column letter followed by row number. For example, A1, B2, C6. Likewise, you have to refer each and every cell. Formula bar, which is used to display the contents of the current cell, and it is used to create and view formulas. Name box is used to display the cell address of the active cell. Sheet tab, it displays the names of the worksheet. You can add more worksheets, or you can also delete some existing ones. Default name of the workbook is workbook 1. There are 3 types of data you can enter in Excel sheet. Text. It is a combination of letter and number. It is left aligned by default. Number, which is nothing but 0 to 9, and it is right aligned in Excel sheet. Formula is using either you can type some information using cell addresses or values, and it is right aligned by default. Name box. With the help of name box, you can locate a cell. Keep it in mind the following shortcut keys. Shift plus space bar is used to select an entire row. Control plus space bar is used to select an entire column, and Control A is to select an entire worksheet. Formatting. So for making changes in the appearance of your Excel sheet, you can use font group tools available under Home tab. So you can change the font size. You can make the text darker, and you can make the text a slanted one, and you can do some underlining for your Excel sheet content, and you can also change the color for your font. You can also fill the cell color, and also you can give some borders. So these are all various formatting options. And copying means duplicating the cell content. You have to use Control plus C and Control plus V. Moving is shifting the content from one cell to another cell. You have to use Control plus X and Control plus V. There are different alignment options are there. Top align, middle align, bottom align, left align, center align, right align. So be careful while writing icon name, because you should be familiar with the icons. So open WPS software in your phone and look at all the alignment icons. Merging is combining content present in 2 or more cells. Wrapping is to wrap long text in multiple lines so that you can view the content clearly. Orientation is you can change the direction of the text present in the cell. Inserting and deleting rows and columns. So for that you have to access insert icon in Home tab. Under the insert icon, you are having insert sheet rows, insert column rows, insert sheet columns, and insert cells. So using these options, you can insert row, column, or cell. Undo is to clear or delete the last executed command. Redo is to reverse the undo operation. Formula is a mathematical expression. So you, while writing a formula, always the formula should start with equal to symbol, and the one example is given for your reference, equal to a1 plus b2. So either you can use cell references in your formula, or you can use the values directly. Okay, so that's all for Excel document. Hope this video will help you to remember all your earlier learnings. Prepare well for your examination, read all the pages, and learn and do the book back exercises once again, and do your exam well. All the best.